Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see a coding problem which is nothing but special string reverse. Observe the given problem statement. You will be given a string containing the alphabets, digits and the special characters. You need to reverse that string but without changing the position of special characters of the actual string. Observe the test case here. Here for A you need to replace with K. For B you need to replace with F because here dollar is a special character, right? You should not change it. For C you need to replace it with E. For D you need to replace it with 2 and 1D will be replaced with 1 only. Now observe, for 2 you need to replace it with D. For a hash no need to change. For E you need to replace it with C, and for F you need to replace it with B, and for dollar you need to keep it as it is because it is a special character. Now for K you need to replace it with A. In this way you need to do the replacement so that you will get the final output. Okay, now let me show you how to do this. Let me take the input string A, B, C, D @ 1 to hash EF and a $K. Now observe, this is the given string, right? Now what I will do is first I will extract the alphabets and digits. It's nothing but A, B, C, D, 1, 2, E, F, $K. Just K, right? There will be no dollar, just it's a K. E, F, K. These are all the alphabets and digits present in the given string. Now let I will be pointing to this, to the end of this string. Okay, this string. Now I will take a result variable to hold the result. Now observe, first I will check here whether it is a alphabet or a digit. If it is an alphabet or digit, I will replace it with this character. Okay, this character, let this be temp. It's nothing but temp of I. I will replace with it with temp of I. If it is a special character, I will keep it as it is. Okay, now observe, A is a alphabet, right? In that case I will replace with temp of I is nothing but K, and I minus minus I need to do. Now I will be pointing here. Now observe, B is alphabet S. In that case I will replace it with temp of I, and now I will be I minus minus. Now I will be pointing here. Now observe, C is what? C is alphabet, right? In that case I need to replace it with temp of I. I will get E here. D is also alphabet. Now I will get 2 in place of D. Now observe, @ is a special character, so keep the @ as it is. Now for 1 I need to replace it with what? I need to replace it with temp of I, right? T of I means 1 and I minus minus. Now observe, for 2 I need to replace it with temp of I, D, and I minus minus. Now observe, 2 completed, right? Hash is a special character, so keep it as it is. And now observe, E is alphabet, so replace it with temp of I and I minus minus. And again F is an alphabet, right? Replace it with temp of I and I minus minus. Now observe, dollar is a special character, so keep it as it is. And K is a alphabet, right? So temp of I. Temp of I means A, and I minus minus. I will be -1. Okay. Now observe what will happen. KFE2 @1D hash CB $A. KFE2 @1D hash CB $A. Right? The result is holding our output. Now let me show you how to do this. Okay. Observe here. First I need to read the string, right? S equal to input. I read the string. Now let me write a message here. Enter the string. As I read the string. Now I need to take a variable alphabets and numbers equal to empty, which is used to hold all the alphabets and digits present in the given string. and I need to take a result variable, right? Resultant string, empty string. Now observe, first, for every character present in the S, if the character is alphabet or number, which is nothing but is all num, then in that case, I will add that character to the alpha nums variable. Now see, if I print the alpha nums, what will happen? You observe. Print alpha nums. Let me save this code and let me run this here. Observe what is the input we need to give. ABCD at the rate 1 2, right? See here. ABCD at the rate 1 2 hash E of $K. Let me type it here. $K. Observe, I got the alphabets and the digits present in this number ABCD 1 2 and E F K. Okay, right? Now let me show you the entire process of doing this code. Now observe the index, right? Index equal to length of alpha nums minus 1, which means index will point to the last character of the alpha nums string. Okay, now observe, for character in S, if the character is alphabet or number, is all num, in that case what we are going to do, we need to add alpha nums of I index, and we need to index minus minus, right? Index minus equal to 1, means index equal to index minus 1. Else, which means if that character is a special character, what we are going to do, just add that special character as it is to the result variable, right? Now observe what will happen. Now let me write the result here. Let me save this code and run it here. Observe, the given input is nothing but A, B, C, D at the rate 1 2 hash EF $K. Now observe, KFE2 at the rate 1D hash CB $A, which is nothing but this output, right? We got the output, right? Now observe what is happening here. Here we are doing a simple thing. Just we are checking that if it is a character or if it is a alphabet or a digit, in that case we will replace that character with the temporary character, right? Temp of I. If it is a special character, we are keeping it as it is. In this way, we need to solve these problems. Okay. Now, thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you.